Kia Motors America will embark on a coast-to-coast tour of the country to showcase the all-new 2021 Sorento as it hauls the 2021 New Year's Eve numerals from the carmaker's headquarters in Irvine, California to Times Square in New York City. A video crew from National Geographic will document the journey of the 2021 numbers as they make their way across the country to be a part of the festivities on Dick Clark's New Year's Rockin' Eve with Ryan Seacrest, airing on ABC affiliate stations across the country. And after stops at notable landmarks across the country, the 2021 Sorento will shuttle frontline medical workers to Times Square to ring in the new year in safety and style. Here to talk about the epic journey is automotive expert James Bell. Hi, James.
If you're like me, you are sick and tired of the year 2020. It needs to get out of here. It's been a bumpy road. Get it in the rearview mirror and let's accelerate that as fast as possible. So we reached out to the good people who put on the big New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square and said, how can we help? So we built a special clear plastic trailer, and we're using this new Sorento to drag these numbers all across the country, to have a bit of a party, to show off the numbers and make sure people can celebrate the fact that we're almost into the year 2021. And we have the perfect vehicle to do that. This is the all-new 2021 Sorento that comes in 3 perfect flavors for your lifestyle. We have the X-Line, which is more of the off-road vehicle to help you escape the pandemic and get out in the fresh air. We have the SX, more of the sporty road warrior type vehicle. Then we also have this, the hybrid one, 35 miles per gallon, room for 7, and amazing technology all around. If you'd like more information about all of the Kia vehicles and the great value we deliver, go to kia.com and make sure you check out this, the all-new Kia Sorento.